Are you looking for evergreen shrubs that offer beauty without the backbreaking work? Today, I'm highlighting some of the best low-maintenance evergreen shrubs that will keep your garden looking lush with minimal effort. Let's get started. First on my list is the vibrant Azalea. These evergreen shrubs burst into a spectacular display of flowers, ranging from pink to white to red, providing your garden with a stunning color palette. Next, meet the August Beauty Gardenia. Known for its large fragrant flowers that bloom in the summer, this shrub is a magnet for both gardeners and pollinators. Introducing the unique bird's nest spruce. With its distinct shape that resembles a bird's nest, this evergreen adds personality and charm to any landscape. The blue princess holly is not just pretty, it's practical. Producing glossy green leaves and vibrant red berries in winter, it's a favorite among the feathered friends. For those who love spring blooms, the compact maximum rhododendron offers stunning pink flowers and glossy green leaves that last all year. Cherry laurel keeps things sweet with its fragrant white spring flowers and glossy green leaves, making garden care a breeze. Don't overlook the beautiful camellia. Perfect for low-maintenance seekers, it's not only easy to care for, but also rewards with gorgeous blooms. The Chinese privet brightens any garden with its yellow-green leaves, thriving in a variety of conditions with minimal upkeep. The dwarf Alberta spruce offers unique texture with its soft, fluffy needles and distinct form, requiring little to no regular maintenance. Adding a touch of uniqueness, the dwarf Japanese black pine stays vibrant year-round, with its bright green needles and easy-care nature. For a dramatic flair, the dwarf Mungo pine stands out with its dark green needles and robust shape, adding character to your garden with minimal effort. And if it's color you're after, the dwarf globe Bruce spruce is your go-to, with its beautiful blue needles and fluffy texture. Next on my list is the emerald fountain Canadian hemlock, known for its soft feathery needles and unique conical shape, a true low-maintenance beauty. Eternal fragrance Daphne is a stunning shrub that dazzles with its pink flowers in winter, filling the air with delightful fragrances that promise to enchant your senses. Next is the Fire Chief Globe arborvitae. Known for its vibrant, colorful foliage, this evergreen is easy to maintain and thrives best in full sun, bringing a rich hue to your garden palette. Fragrant tea olive, a true gem for any garden. It produces beautiful white flowers with a captivating sweet fragrance, adding a touch of charm wherever it grows. Meet the false cypress golden charm. Its feathery golden foliage not only adds whimsy, but also stands out for being surprisingly low maintenance despite its flashy appearance. False holly impresses year-round. With its glossy green leaves and fragrant white spring flowers, it's an excellent choice for those seeking enduring beauty. The firethorn shrub is a haven for birds, thanks to its clusters of bright red berries in fall and winter. This thorny evergreen is as practical as it is decorative. For a standout feature in your garden, consider the Gembox inkberry holly. Its compact rounded shape makes it a showstopper in any landscaping design. Don't overlook the green Gembox wood. With its dark green glossy foliage, this shrub adds sophistication and elegance, enhancing any garden with its refined beauty. The green mountain boxwood is perfect for creating hedges or borders, thanks to its vibrant green leaves and compact, dense growth. Green velvet boxwood, known for its lush foliage and neat, tidy growth habit, this shrub is a favorite for both formal and informal gardens. Next, we have the Harland boxwood. This classic evergreen is a garden staple, thanks to its dense bushy habit and vibrant green leaves that make it a standout in any landscape. Next up is the Hinoki cypress. Loved for its unique textured foliage and striking color, this shrub adds dramatic flair and is sure to turn heads. Meet the heather shrub. Producing beautiful flowers in shades of pink, purple, and white, this evergreen is easy to maintain and perfect for attracting pollinators. The Hollywood juniper stands out with its simmering silver blue foliage and sculptural growth habit, making it a true statement piece in any garden. For a bit of holiday cheer, consider the holly shrubs. With glossy leaves and vibrant berries, these shrubs are a fantastic addition to any festive garden display. The Indian hawthorn is a delight with its delicate pink and white spring flowers and glossy green leaves that remain vibrant all year. The robust juniper is renowned for its sturdy and adaptable nature, able to withstand almost any weather condition with minimal pruning. Adding a touch of drama is the Japanese barberry, with its spiky branches and bold red foliage that stands out in any garden. The Japanese Azalea, or Fatsia japonica, is a striking plant with large glossy leaves that resemble the shape of an umbrella, perfect for adding an exotic touch. Lastly, the Japanese Skimmia, thriving in partial shade and moist soil, is ideal for woodland gardens or shady garden corners. And there you have it, a lineup of low-maintenance evergreen shrubs that keep your garden looking fabulous throughout the year with minimal effort. If you found these evergreen suggestions helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more practical gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening and enjoy the beauty of evergreens!